Hello everyone, welcome to About You Beauty. My name is Brenda and today we are going to learn about Hattie from IMStyle Wigs. First and foremost, check out this warm calico color blend. Look at all those colors in there, you guys. I'm standing with studio lights, but I'm also at a window. Check out the hairline. There's mine. It has that slight Scandinavian hairline of the highlighted coloring. And wow, look at the layers. It's a 13 by 4, so you can definitely part this how you would want to. You can even go center. Oh, let's take a look at Hattie from all sides. Here's the front, left, back, right, and front. What do you guys think of this color? I am loving this. This is, as usual with all of IMStyle Wigs, it is a high quality, heat-friendly synthetic. So you can absolutely curl this, straighten this, maintain this. You can cut this, make it yours, style it how you wish. Well, I'm in love, absolutely in love. Now, let's take a look at the cap construction. This one is an average size cap, so it will fit 21 to 23, I believe. It's a 13 by 4. You have your combs at each ear. You have that 4-inch section from here back to do the free parting with. It has extended nape, hook adjusters, comb at the nape, and close wefted. She's a stunner. Take a look at that color. And the density, she's about a 120, 130. Feels so light, so natural. It's absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think of the coloring? I would love to hear your feedback on that. And if you have any other questions, please message me down below. We'll also have all my measurements listed down below for you so you can see how this is going to fit you. Now, when I cut the lace, it does sit over my ear, and I am 22-inch circumference, so I will have to cut this when I go to wear this, or I can just kind of fold it in behind my ear and pull some of this forward. But there is ways that you can cut the notches so these will lay more flush to your head and not be uncomfortable. What do you think? Let's go outside and take a look at Hattie outside. Okay, we are outside, and again, it is still cold. Let's go walk into the sunshine. What do you think? Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful.